If your crush suddenly stops responding, don't panic. There are plenty of ways to rekindle her interest with a clever follow-up text. Start by teasing her lightly about her slow reply. Humor can break the ice and make her more excited to respond. Use playful banter, like joking about her being the gold medalist for slowest response time, or referencing a future together in a lighthearted way, such as, "When we're on our 10th anniversary, we'll hardly even remember this." Including a funny movie quote or meme that relates to her interest can also ease the tension, signaling that you're thinking of her. Additionally, reaching out with a sweet offer to help her with something or simply checking in to see if she's okay can show your considerate side and encourage her reply. Ultimately, it's all about keeping the tone light and fun while reminding her of your interest.